Then young man, I make you turn up over the thief like they start you. Free up yourself, man. Free up yourself.
Me alright, man. Me alright. Bossy. How this?
Whisper.
No worry yourself, man. You soon know who me. Ask that young lady there. No Bubbles. You ever hear the saying say, I know everything good for eat, good for talk?
Yes, sir.
Now that is what I was faced with a few days ago while I was at a wedding. And I see things, but me couldn't talk. What is your association with a Janil Rukud?
Janil Rukud, sir?
You know her. So nobody go on like you don't know her.
It wasn't a very pleasant association, sir.
Me know. But I am sensing where she's going to need your help, and very soon. Because I'm seeing where she's mixing up with some set of people. And I say some set of class of people. Then peer it no right. For when me walk into that place, it never feel like a wedding. It feel like a funeral. And I get the feeling that soon, and very soon, them are gonna bury her.
Then, sir, how me involved in that?
Bubbles. Here's what I try to do. Play a fool if you catch wise. You already trying to find out who she associated with. Allow me to tell. Me say if allow me to tell.
How you know that?
Me know though. I come for make you know that some serious things are going in this country. And Uno is a part of the solution. I say Uno is a part of the solution. For I feel it in my spirit that something is not right. And if we don't intervene, I say, if we don't intervene, I feel like I want to preach. But if I start to preach, I might not top. So for no safety, I'm going to have to start to know out. Earlier on you asked her who me. And you don't even like to talk loud. You love to whisper. And you think you're a diamond. He's nothing but a crystal. And you, chief of staff, coming like a 7-up. You know, stop bubble. I know you don't believe in certain things, but them say belief kills and belief cures. And whether you don't believe or not, I am here to cure you. For you see, this journey that you're going on, I say, you see this journey that you're going on, Shakra de Bakra. This journey, Buzum de Guzum, ha! Hakalubondag. You say, Uno now? Uno going have to? Get up! Get up! Get up! And in all of this, one phrase, Uno must remember, save her. I say Uno fi save her! Uno going have to save her from the thick big boy with favor Sasquatch and the little tiny woman with the back of him with favor Jackie Chan's sister. Save her. Save her. Be careful. Be careful. The next time I come here, prepare
Yanap. Yanap, yanap.
Save her. I said it, save her. Save her. She in danger. Save her. Save her, save her.
Yanap.